new features with the recent update version 4.0.6 in Ezykam Plus. This feature provides you advanced security and data protection. So we request you to please update the application to the new version. Once the application is updated, please log in with your email ID and your password of Ezykam account. If you don't have the password, then you can recover your password with the forget password option. Once you will get logged in, the application will ask you to re-add the devices to get all the new features with the new application. So we request you to re-add all the devices to gain full control of your application and the devices with the latest features. Right now I am using version 4.0.3 in my phone and I have 6 devices total in my account. I will show you the version here. It is 4.0.3 international. Now I will update it from the Play Store. This is the application and I will click on update. It will refer me to version 4.0.6. Now the application is updated. I will open the application. It is asking me to re-add the devices to get new update features here. I will click on this re-add option. Select I would like to buy the cloud recording if I want it in future. And then click on confirm. Now let's come to the most easy way to connect a camera with the Ezykam application. You don't need to scan any QR code in this method. That will be the most easy way for any camera. All the cameras that will support that EZ mode feature, you can easily get configured all the cameras together. So let me show you. I will open the application and click on this re-add option. Again select the same option here and click on confirm. Now I will remove these two devices. I have removed all the devices that support EZ mode feature. Now I will add all these cameras together in a single click. Now I will click on this plus icon, select any of the model. I will go with the EZ mode. Click on next step and select next. I will put the password of the Wi-Fi and all the devices will start getting added automatically.
Wi-Fi connected. Wait. Wi-Fi connection success. Wi-Fi connection success. Device added successfully. Wi-Fi added successfully. Device added successfully. Device added successfully. Wi-Fi connection success. Device added successfully.
Now all my devices has been added to this application. I will simply click on done and I will show you all my cameras are back into the list. I never scanned any QR for this method. I didn't go with the Bluetooth mode. I have not made any LAN connection. I just came within the same network. Like my phone and all the cameras should be connected with the same Wi-Fi network. And please make sure one thing. Whenever you want to remove the device, you need to be available at your camera location and the phone should be connected to the same Wi-Fi network through which you want to configure the cameras. The cameras will support SSID of 2.4 GHz only, so please make sure your phone is connected with the 2.4 GHz SSID and then you will start configuration of the cameras. Now I will show you how to add a camera with the Bluetooth mode. I will open the application again, click on the re-add, selected this I would like, clicked on confirm now. For the Bluetooth mode I will use CPE81AR because this device supports Bluetooth mode, so I will select the device and delete it from the application. Now my camera is getting set up automatically, so
Camera is starting now. Please wait. Waiting for Wi-Fi connection.
now my device is up and my device is showing here in discovering devices. This device is under Bluetooth mode, so I will click on this add button and it is done. Starting the connection.
Wi-Fi connecting, please wait.
You can hear the voice prompt as well.
Wi-Fi connection success. Device added successfully.
Now it is added with the Bluetooth mode. That was also a very easy method. Now I will show you how to add a camera, a 4G camera with the QR method. I need to scan the QR code of the camera physically. So first of all I need to remove this device from the application. I will show you. I will open the application, click on re-add, confirm, and then I will select this Z32G camera, that is a SIM based camera. I will select it and remove the device from the application. Now my device is getting reset and it is restarting, so till then I will wait.
Start 4G mode. The network is connecting. .4G network connection succeeded.
Now the camera is connected with the 4G network, so I just need to scan the QR code of the camera. So first of all I will select my model from the application. Here I will select CPZ32G as I am using the same model. Then click on the scan now option and I will scan the QR code of this camera. It is scanned and now the device will get added soon. Yes, the device is added now and I will click on done and it will show me the preview.